Hello everyone, it is my pleasure to introduce Hawkr. I am Mike Marambio along with Leo Zhang and Alex Romero. We're the ones who have built what we call Hawkr. Hawkr is a web application focusing on the issue of putting local mobile businesses on the map. It looks like this. Currently, if you were to search for local mobile businesses, you would have to go through social media or other platforms. Hawkr is an app for helping local mobile vendors. It connects vendors with clients. Let's dive into the use cases. So for use case 1, we have our client. Let's say you want to check out your local mobile businesses in your area, but you can't seem to find them. You can't search them up on Google Maps or anything like that because they're not a static location, and it's hard to find them on social media because you have to already be following them or know of some people who know about those shops. So it's hard to support your small local mobile businesses. And now let's dive into our second use case where you're the vendor. Let's say you want to sell goods or services, but you don't have a reliable way to let others know where you'll be located next, or you have a hard time finding people because you're so new as a vendor. And thus, that's where Hawkr comes in. With Hawkr, the key functionalities is for the ease of use for clients to find and track their shops, as well as for vendors to make their shops and edit their shops. Now, let's dive into the demo. Now back to our first use case. Let's say you're a new user and you want to check out a shop. With Hawkr, all you have to do is pick out your shop that you find on here. Let's say ceramic plates by Ari. We want to get some ceramic plates. Let's click on it. We see it's located on the map over there. Let's try to go there. So take me there. Upon clicking the button, we can see we have directions to go straight there. Let's go. And wow, so easy with Hawkr. So for a special use case, we'll call it use case 2. You're a committed user. Let's say you created an account with us through hawkr.dev, you signed up, and now you have an account. So let's say you want to specifically search for a food truck shop. So we go over here to Hawkr type, click on food truck, and okay, a food truck shop about Rocky shop. Let's click on that. So Rocky shop is right there. We can have the ability to leave a review, but we want to favorite it. So let's favorite it and then check out our favorites list. Boom, it's right there. Okay, so now let's say you're a vendor. You've applied and have become accepted as a vendor through our application process. Now you want to make a shop. So let's go over here. Let's hit manage shops. We currently don't have a shop, so let's create one together. Okay, now that we have most of it filled out, let's just go for our last settings. Let's say we want our shop to be live tracked. Awesome, let's create it. We have successfully created the shop. We have Mike's Pancake Shop, and let's make it open. Awesome, let's go back to the store. Now that we can see our shop is available. Mike's Pancake Shop, shop about pancakes and all stuff with syrup. Click on it, and boom, it's right there where we're at. For our technologies, we utilize Next.js, a framework along with TypeScript for better software security of types. We harness the power of Supabase and its backend as a service technologies, such as its database of Postgres, its storage and multimedia, and authentication service. Hawkr was deployed to the public through AWS Amplify, which allowed for our CI/CD process to be smooth. The APIs we utilized came from the Supabase SDK and Google Maps APIs. We tracked our issues through GitLab with an astounding 150 issues created and closed, and 291 commits later, here we are now. Through the schema on the bottom right, we can denote how each process would go through user/client interactions along with vendor interactions. And last of all, Thank you for watching.